Hello little ones, welcome to Mathematics for Grade 2. Today is day 9 and we will be focusing on addition. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to look at addition. Activity 1. Let's add these sums. Let's use the number line to help us. The first thing we're going to do is look at our equation. The sum says that it is 13 plus 12. Step 1 that we would start with is we're going to go from 0 and jump 13 spaces to land on number 13. We will then count on 12 spaces until we get to our answer. Can you guess what the answer is if you look at the number line? If you said 25, then good job, your answer was correct. 13 plus 12 is 25. Now try the second one on your own. You've got 14 plus 12. Let's see if your answers are correct. Our first answer was 25 and our second answer is 26 because 14 plus 12 is 26. If we have a look at the number line, the first jump takes us to 14 and the second jump takes us all the way to 26. Activity 2. Let's add these sums. We will use the example on the left to help us. In the example, you can see 12 plus 11. 12 broken down is 10 plus 2 and 11 broken down is 10 plus 1. We know that we're going to add our 10s together and then we're going to add our 1s together. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 20 plus 3 will give us our final answer of 23. Let's see if you can do the next step on your own. This time we're going to go step by step. The first thing we're looking at is our equation. Our sum says that it is 13 plus 15. What is our first step when we look at this sum? Did you say that the first step was to break down the numbers? Good job if you did. Let's break down those numbers. 13 broken down is 10 plus 3 and 15 broken down is 10 plus 5. In the next step, we need to put our 10s together and then we need to put our 1s together. Ten plus 10 plus 3 plus 5. We know that 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And we know that 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. So now we know 13 plus 15 is equal to 28. Activity 3. Let's add these sums. Let's see if you can do the first one on your own. 26 plus 12. Can you remember step 1? Step 1, yes, is to break down our numbers. We're going to decompose or break down 26 and 12. Okay, let's break down 26 and 12. 26 is made up of 20 and 6, and 12 is made up of 10 and 2. What's our next step? Our next step is to group our 10s together and then our ones together. 20 plus 10 plus 6 plus 2. We know that 20 plus 10 is 30 and 6 plus 2 is 8. And our answer for 30 plus 8 is 38. 26 plus 12 is equal to 38. Let's have a look at the next one together. You've got 23 plus 22. Step 1 is to break down our numbers. 23 is equal to 20 and 3, and 22 is equal to 20 and 2. Our next step is to group our tens and group our ones. 20 plus 20 plus 3 plus 2. We know that 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. 23 plus 22 is 45. Activity 3. Let's add these sums. Can you do these on your own? 24 plus 13. And then the next sum that I would like for you to try is 35 plus 12. Let's see if you can do those on your own, and then we will continue with the answers. "24 plus 13. Did you get 37 as your final answer? Good job if you did. If you didn't, check your steps again to see where you might have gone wrong. 35 plus 12. Did you get a final answer of 47? Remember to check your steps along the way. More fun. Let's watch a YouTube video to learn a little more about using the number line to work out addition. I sure hope that you had fun today. Remember to come back tomorrow for our next lesson.